Fishing Rod is back! Rocket! The Rocket Fishing Rod is the super fun and easy way for kids to catch fish.
Rocket Fishing Rod!
If you've ever taken your kids fishing, you know how hard it is for them to cast with an ordinary fishing pole. The Rocket Fishing Rod makes fishing fun and easy. You just cock it and shoot it. The fishing lure shoots out really far, right to where the fish are. The Rocket Fishing Rod is a real fishing rod that catches real fish.
Rocket Fishing Rod!
Here's the secret. When the bobber hits the water, it opens up and the hook falls to the right depth to where the fish are. Then you just reel them in.
Rocket! Rocket Fishing Rod!
Fishing can bring the whole family together, moms and dads. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, you can spend more time fishing with your kids and less time messing with tangled lines. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, it's a blast to cast and reel in those fish.
Rocket Fishing Rod!
Have fun practice shooting your Rocket Fishing Rod in your own backyard. Practice your aim so you can shoot right to where the fish are. Catching fish is fun and easy. Grandparents, taking your grandkids fishing is so much fun with the Rocket Fishing Rod. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, even younger kids can fish all by themselves.
Rocket!